If you want to know how to make a group on WhatsApp using your iPhone or Android, for that first you have to open up your WhatsApp. And now if you are using an iPhone, just hit the plus icon in the top right corner. Then choose new group. If you're using an Android, just tap on this plus icon from the bottom right corner, then go for new group from the menu. And now go ahead and choose the context you want to add to the group and pick whoever you had to like in it. Once you have selected your people, move forward by tapping next. Here type a name for your group. You can also add an emoji if you want. Below that, you will see the option to turn on disappearing messages if you had like more privacy. Plus, you can customize group permissions like who can send messages or change group info. When you are ready, just press create and that's it. Your WhatsApp group is good to go. You can open it up, tap on the group name, and you can customize anything from here. Isn't it real easy? I hope this guide helpful. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.